Drivers behind the line. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's play some games here. It's the bottom half of the upper bracket. 2 versus 7, 2 in the red, 7 in the blue. Red Alliance letting it fire away, but so is the blue. This is going to be close. It's racking up one at a time on either end. It's only a singular point advantage going into the last part of this, but red is able to run away at the last second and will win autonomous. Drivers are at their stations, and we're underway. Winner advances on to round 2, match number 8. The loser drops down to round 2, match number 6 in the lower bracket. As now the shift is on. Transitional shift scored a couple of points for both sides. But for the red now, 107-55. But blue's trying to climb the ladder. 23-75. Dragon Robotics are up there trying to score upstairs. Getting defended out right now by ARC, the team out of Las Vegas, and the Adelson Education campus playing some defense, but they'll now run away back to the midline as here we go, the Red Alliance side. This is your number 2 team. Forge Robotics, the captains. Mega Metalbots not far behind on the pick. They keep adding on the pressure. Right now, though, the gap doesn't seem that big. It's only about 41 points thus far. Can they keep it up, though? And they will. They'll pelt it on. As soon as I say it, a flurry of fuel comes by. And it's nearly a 100-point lead before the blue takes over. But blue now taking over, looking for shots. But how about this team playing some defense? ARC, Mr. Peabody making sure that defense is being played on the side of floor. And now the shift happening. Again, Red Alliance one's autonomous. So they'll have the final 55 hub open. And they'll let it fly. Blue gets a couple more in at the last second, which makes the gap a little bit closer. But these 25 seconds are also important to see if the red can break away. So far, so good. Forge Robotics is able to find themselves a good couple of points. And in the meanwhile, up and above the bump, they'll go. Now a couple more from the corner. Courtesy of Forge Robotics, the captains making good use, and so a couple more shots. 30 seconds left, though. Blue Alliance needs to do some work to close the gap. More defense being played. ARC hurries back on over to do their job to play some defense. Oh, they're playing brilliantly here. They're making sure Eobotics doesn't get any breathing room. But the one with the most breathing room is the one that are the captains. Forge Robotics making sure that this looks like an easy game at the end. Blue looking for the shots. And they cannot close the gap from the looks of it in time. And that will do it for the match here in our 3rd match of the upper bracket. Final scores on the screen. The winning alliance is in red. Final score, 334 to 291. The second seeded alliance moves on into the bracket and plays into round 2, match number 8. Meanwhile, the losing alliance, the blue alliance here, the number 7, will move down into round 2, match 6 on the lower brackets.